Good morning, retail traders. Right now, what I'm thinking, I did a little video earlier about the Dow Jones. I still think we'll go into negative territory, but there's one thing I might have left out. Any kind of intervention, it seems like to me the fat cats are just looking for one thing to maybe make this market bounce. And I'm not saying this is going to make the market bounce, but you kind of just got to watch what they're saying today. It sounds to me like they're kind of bottom fishing for any kind of good news at all, so they can get in this market, run it up, and scalp it a little bit. So to carry out temporary purchases, the UK is going to buy long-dated UK bonds, and they're going to do whatever it takes necessary to get the job done. So I'm going to pull up my indices, and we'll do a real fast walkthrough with them. We'll start off with a SPY. So we definitely had a support line of 362.17. That was my bottom line number for the double bottom that the fat cats were looking for to bring it back up. We did dip down below it again this morning, and we dipped below it yesterday. And I've got a bull market above 30,000 on the Dow. So I don't know, if they get a little wild or crazy today, I'd be looking at the 1 hour time frame and use the moving averages to bring them up. Like, we need to break the 21, the 50 SMA. The 51 is going to be the hard one to break. That's going to be the 51 SMA. Then you could get a nice pullback like we've been getting every day. And then if that breaks, you could be able to run it up to the 200 on the 1 hour time frame. Note, everything's on 1 hour right now, and that's going to be how I'm going to move these averages. The IWM, same thing. Got to break the 50, the 51 EMA, and then the 200 SMA. If not, we'll go ahead and pull on back to the lower levels. Looking at them all, I'm going to get 1 hour time frame for today just to see where I can find resistance levels. Then we got the QQQ. Same thing. We had the 52-week low at 273.87. That's what they want to bounce off of. So the hard resistance to break will be the 51. It's been hard to break for the last 2.5 weeks. And if that double top, triple top breaks at 276 something, you can take it to 282. But yet, keep in mind, I'm still bearish. And then we got the SPX. Now, this one here is a hard one to judge it open. I think we could probably open up down here at 36.32 and then run it back up to the top resistance if we break this 21 SMA. And we got to break 36.8148 today. Now, we could open up there, and these will be your three different moving averages. And I'd say the hard resistance to really be bullish today on this one will be 37.2744. So I'm keeping a plain face on today. I'm not going to rush into nothing unless I see some real good movement. And I've missed a couple of these down ticks, just watching it go down and then catching it when I hit a certain number. So I'm going to pay close attention to the reversals that come back down, jump in them a little bit early. So I'll be looking for like dojis, long leg doji, same thing you see right here. This one here could have been a pop, but we hit the 200 SMA, so it was definitely going to come back down. Not definitely, but it was. So I'm looking for any kind of doji at the top of the candle, any big long leg candles that are forming above the body, like right in here, on this one here, for example. I'll be looking for candles like that, inverted hammers from the top, dojis, same thing here, anything with a wick hanging up above. And that's it. Keep a good eye on the market today. Be cautious, patient, and hit that subscribe, like button. Live on YouTube. And then there's information down below You can donate to the scanner. You can join the room. You can follow me on social media. And you can also take that script from this chart that I'm showing right now, which is a auto Fibonacci chart. It saves you a lot of time. You can just draw your trend line across. It takes it from different time frames. And everybody have a good day. Adios, amigos.